Good evening, Juan. Today we are going to present Project 2. So, my name is Pravina and my group member name is Kavita Subramaniam. So, the first one is introduction. This project focuses on the subtopic of general health with specific attention to blood donation trend in Malaysia. Blood donation is a crucial aspect to public health, ensuring the availability of life-saving resources for surgery, trauma care, care treatment, and chronic license. Analyzing donation pattern enable healthcare planner and authorizer to monitor supply and demand more effectively, target awareness campaign, and optimize donor engagement strategy. So the second one is a problem statement. The big nationwide champion and donor drive Asia continue to face product shortage or specified blood type, particularly during the emergencies or festive season. There are limited use of data analyzing in planning such effort. Therefore, analyzing hierarchical blood donation data is essential to identify which state and blood type of contributing the most and where implement are needed. Third one is objective to visualize and analyze trend in daily blood donation by state and blood type to identify the peak and low period to of donation across 2 years to support healthcare queries in identify regions requiring more awareness to develop a fully interactive dashboard using Power BI that can edit the record making. So the next is screenshot of the raw data before processing. So this is the screenshot of the raw data and before and after. So we already insert the data. Before data cleaning, this is the before data cleaning. Simple calculation, go to add column and click the customer column and custom a new column with simple formula result. Next is after data cleaning will show like this. So data transformation, after we finish the data preparation step, then we click close to apply to do data transformation. So next we will create relationship. We need to click the model button at the left side, tap to manage relationship. After that click management relationship. Create a relationship result and application of that calculation. Go to model or report view. Click on the table, click new measure and enter a formula. So the first one is a total donation. So this is the total donation. The second one is the mean donation. And the third one is the average donation. And the fourth one is the max donation.
Hi madam, my name is Kavita from class DDT 5B. Today I want to present about the new column, head new column. First step is select the date column. First we click on the column that contain the full date. Second one is go to the add column at the top menu in Power Query. Find and click the head column. The second step is extract year. This create a new column that just show the year, example like 2020. For one is extract month. This add a column showing the month as a number like that, March 3. Last one is the extract month name. This will show the month name instead of just the number, example like March. Thank you. Next is the data pre-processing transformation. First one is open Power BI Desktop. Launch the Power BI Desktop app on your computer. Second one is click on Home button, then get data. Choose test. Menu will open. Choose the test option because the data files you are importing are CSV files. Third one is import the two files. You need to import these two CSV files. This one is blood donation CSV. Second was blood donation state CSV. After importing, you will see them list under the data section on the right side of Power BI, shown in the small screenshot. The next is then click transform data to enter the Power Query editor. Instead, you click the Transform Data button. This open Power Query Editor, a tool inside Power BI where you can clean your data, remove error, blank, unnecessary column. Second one is transform your data, change format, split column, merge columns. Third one is create new column. Fourth, filter row. Fifth, rename column. In the Power Query Editor, you see your data table open for editing. On the left, your table are list example like blood donation state. That one, in the middle, the data set is shown with column and row. The last one is on the right, there's query setting panel where it record any transformation step you apply like renaming column, changing data type, filtering row. Next is then click transform data to enter the Power Query. The bottom part of the image then show the Power Query editor interface. You can see various options in the ribbon at the top of for tasks like managing columns, reducing row, transforming data. Click the transform data button in Power BI, take you from data viewing stage to the data preparation stage using the Power Query Editor. The next is data visualization. The Power BI dashboard title Daily Blood Donation by Blood Group or State, and it presents various visualization to analyze blood donation data across Malaysia by state, blood group, and time. Bar chart is included show the total donation by state. The highest donation are recorded in Kuala Lumpur, followed by Perak, Kedah, and Johor. The next is the pie chart is equals to represent the sum of donation by blood group A, B, O, A, B, with blood group A having the highest proportion. The sum of donation by blood group, first one is blood group A, is equal to 11M, 62.25%. O, third one is B, fourth one is AB, last one is 0. The next one is the card. It displays the average donation across all entries. In this case, it is 35.43. Average donation is 35.43. Second one is slice. A sample slicer allows user to filter data sum by year or state to view specific trends interactively. Sum of year by state: Kuala Lumpur, Kelantan, Pahang, Negeri, Terengganu, Pulau Pinang, Sarawak, Selangor, Johor. The sum of year by state is Kelantan. The line chart is present the total donation by month, name, and state, showing the trend across the year. The data reveals fluctuations in donation levels throughout the year. Total donation by month, name, and state. State is Johor, Kedah, Kelantan, Melaka, Negeri Sembilan, Pahang. Total donation is 0.0M, 0.2M, 0.4M, 0.6M. Month name is January until December. The last is table. Table showing a sum of donation by state and blood group, allowing for easy comparison and analysis of donation total for each blood group in every state. Blood group state sum of donation. The total is 180,00111. The blood group is O, A, AB, B, O, A, AB, B, AB. The state is Johor and Kedah, Kelantan. Next is the map. The map of nation plotting total donation by state, providing a geographical perspective of blood donation distribution. The explanation of key findings and insight. First one is Kuala Lumpur recorded the highest number of donation, indicating it may be the most active or populated blood donation region. Second one is blood group A is the most commonly donated blood type. Third one is donation vary monthly and yearly with visible peaks in the same month, possibly influenced by campaign or health awareness events. Fifth one, the use of both table and geography map allows for cross verification of data and better spatial understanding. The last one is dashboard enable interactive analysis through slider and dynamic visual. Next is the title is dashboard. Overall theme is the dashboard seems to be analyzed blood donation data, likely looking at the trend by state, year, blood group, and month. The first one is total donation by state. This chart shows the total number of donations for each state. We can see that Selangor has higher number of donation compared to other states. Second one is sum of year by state. This section seems to break down the total donation by state further. Third one is sum of donation by blood group. Distribution of blood donation across different blood group. Average donation likely represents the average number of donation based on the same defined criteria. The chart displays the trend of total donation over different months, with each line representing a specific state. Total donation by state is the total donation by state geography. The shading of size of the marker on the map will indicate the donation volume.